Hey Dio, how's it going? This is Eddie from Boundless SEO. I was told you would be the correct person to watch this, so I really hope you're watching. And thank you for giving us the green light to send this custom video to you. I'm here to audit your site. I'll compare your site to one of your competitors around your area. This video will explain what you have going behind the scenes of your website and what you can do to bring in more clients. Also, it'll give you an understanding as to why your competitor are being found instead of you. I'm going to mainly be going over three things you can do today to help bring in more work. The 3 points or categories, I should say, are content, backlinks, and citations. Looks like this is your website here, Dio. It's a good website. When I go through your website, I see you have great photos, of course, a beautiful layout. The navigation is fairly simple. You see you have a portfolio and the services, which is great. I did notice a clickable phone number here, which is, also great, easier, making it easier for the user to contact you. Unfortunately, not enough content. Looks like this is your homepage here, and this is the only content you have. Typically, you want to see at least 1,500 words of text content on your homepage. Not only will this improve the relevance of the services that you offer, but also improves a level of trust in Google, inside of Google. Google loves content. There's no way around it. The more content you have, the more you appear as an expert inside of Google. In your 1,500 words of content, you want to start inserting good quality keywords. And what I mean by keywords, in other words, are just words or phrases that searchers or users enter into search engines to discover available services. In this case, your services, landscaping. Just remember, the more content, the better. If your competitor has 1,000 words and you want to increase to 1,500 words, if your competitor has 1,500 words, bump up to 2,000. This way, Google is willing to place you higher in the search results. Now, backlinks and citations. For this, let's jump into Revers here real quick. This is a paid tool, of course. If you don't mind paying for it, you could have this to monitor the back end of your website. You currently have 39 backlinks. However, the UR and DR meter here are the rating or the power of the URL and domain. A way to increase the two are through backlinks and citations. So again, 39 backlinks. A backlink is a shortcut a shout out or a clickable link from another website. It's basically a website linking to your website with just the clickable link. A citation is essentially your company's business name, address, and phone number listed throughout the web in different directories. And a directory, of course, would be something like Yelp, Angie's List, or Yellow Pages. I'm sure you're familiar with one of those. Ideally, you would like to keep keep both the UR and DR in a 1-to-1 ratio here. It's just good practice. It also gives you like more of a preference when comparing it to another site inside of Google. So just keep that in mind. So again, you have 39 backlinks, referring domains 8, organic keywords 11. This is important. I'll elaborate a little bit more a little bit later on this video. So organic traffic 3, you're currently getting 3 people onto your site. And of course, you could always improve that. And I did notice on your site here, there's a little pop-up that states how many people are jumping. There you go. 1 people in the last 30 days. Of course, you could improve on that. Comparing it to one of your competitors here, New Image Landscape Company, looks like this company is being found. They don't have a lot of content here, but they do have keywords. This is what they currently have going behind the scenes. They have over 600 backlinks. 60 referring domains. Organic keywords, they have over 300. Organic traffic, 117. So approximately 117 people are jumping onto their website organically by searching for your services. The DR 2.1, the UR 0. So this is beatable. This is not scary. You could do this if you like. Just be very careful to follow protocol. Last and most important are the keywords. These are the keywords I was referring to before. I see you have, let's jump. I think you said I think we see 11. Your competitor has over 300. Looking at your competitor's list of keywords, this keyword here has approximately a search volume of 150. So in other words, 150 people are searching every month for this service. Imagine those 150 people are finding you instead. That's the whole point of SEO, to give power to your website and finding you instead. For this keyword here, just with the CA at the end, California, 80 people a month. They should find you instead. correct? If you are to follow these tips and tricks, you can increase your rankings and bring in more calls. And who doesn't want that, right? Well, Dale, this is what I have for you. If you enjoyed this video, let me know. I would love to know your thoughts. Or if you're not interested, let me know that too. No harm, no foul. That way I would stop sending you follow-up emails. Feel free to email me any thoughts or questions. We can even take a phone call to further discuss. Thank you for your time, Leo. Hope to hear from you soon. Bye-bye.